I extend my warmest greetings to all of the distinguished guests in attendance here tonight. Honorable Shri K.T. Ramarao Garu, Minister for IT, ENC, Municipal Administration and Urban Development, Industries and Commerce, Mines and Geology, Public Enterprises and NRI Affairs. Shri KTR Garu, thank you so much for being here tonight to give away the awards to the deserving winners of the India Bus Awards and reward those who really setting the standards when it comes to doing business better in public transport service. The Ashok Leyland India Bus Awards, a journey that we began 3 years ago, is all about rewarding the ones who do better. In its third edition, the awards is the most awaited and tried awards of the bus travel industry. Any award bestowed upon to pathfinders and trailblazers in the industry encourages the industry to do better and motivates the entire fraternity to attain higher goals. Today we are also happy to know about the Pravas Excellence Awards announced by our own operator body, Bus Operators Confederation of India, to recognize achievements in the bus travel industry. I am confident that multiple awards in the bus travel industry will only encourage the industry to strive for excellence. These platforms of recognition that rewards excellence reiterates our India Bus Awards vision of recognizing and rewarding those who have contributed the greatest benefit to the bus travel industry. Recognizing and rewarding excellence while boosting the image of the bus travel industry has been and will remain our singular objective. We intend to pursue our objective in assistance collectively with our title partners, Ashok Leyland. We are confident that this awards platform will bring together all stakeholders of the industry to discuss, debate issues, network and share best practices while celebrating achievers in the industry. In our pursuit of excellence, in the third edition of the Ashok Leyland India Bus Awards, we have invited nominations from state road transport corporations, private fleet operators that ply intercity, intracity, who provide services to corporates, who provide services to schools, bus manufacturers and bus bodybuilders. This year, we received 650 nominations from all over India across all categories. 70 entries of those made the cut and presented to the grand final jury. For every entry that made the shortlist, several failed to make the cut. And as a result, the quality of the entries up for consideration this year was truly exceptional. I urge all participants who get screened and to come and present at the grand final jury. If you have made through the screening jury, you have crossed 50% of the journey. And for your information, only 10% of nominations get through to the screening jury. So do not lose this opportunity to come and present to the grand jury. And for some reason, if you are unable to travel, we have an option to present through video conferencing or telephonic presentations. I must wholeheartedly thank our jury members and judges, as judging 24 awards is no easy task. But as ever, the caliber of the judging panel has allowed us to apply the highest level of knowledge and experience to determine the winners this year. So thank you all of them. And if tonight's awards are about anything, they're about recognizing those who are taking action, who are actually building a better and more sustainable bus travel industry. It's about saying a big thank you. Thank you for the support of the India Bus Awards. And thank you for those entries to these awards. While I'm thanking people, I must thank all the sponsors and the partners of these awards, my own team, and our hospitality partners, ITC Kakatiya. We wouldn't be able to put on such a grand event for all of you tonight. So a big thank you to all of you. I must admit, it is a real honor for us to organize these awards for the bus travel industry. I like to congratulate all the finalists and the winners here tonight. Before I conclude, I must urge all of you to tell your success stories. Do all you can to promote the great progress you're making. It is critical that you tell stories of how you're transitioning in the industry today. Share your dreams and stories. And please do be ready to share the successes here in this room tonight. Please tweet about it using our hashtag India Bus Awards 2017. Finally, please join me in celebrating all our winners and shortlisted entries this evening. Each one of you deserves to be celebrated for your hard work. And tonight, that is what we will do. Thank you.